Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to edit on CapCut. If you haven't already, download CapCut from the App Store or Google Play Store. Launch CapCut and tap the plus new project button on the home screen to create a new video project. On the main screen, scroll through the template section at the top or tap the templates button to browse available pre-made templates. Select a template that fits the style or effect you want to use. Templates are categorized for easy navigation, like vlogs, transitions, or text effects. Once you select a template, tap Use Template to start customizing. Import your own clips or photos into the template by following the prompts. The template's timing, effect, and transition will already be set up. If needed, you can modify the timing, text, filters, and other effects by tapping the corresponding parts of the video. After importing your media and customizing, tap Preview to preview the video before finalizing. Once satisfied with your video, just tap the Export button at the top right corner. Choose the resolution and frame rate you want, then tap Export to save your video. Share it directly to a social media platform or save it directly to your device. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.